Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to go about guys iqoo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iqoo mobile guys home screen setting. And today video title is guys how to unlock home screen layout setting. Friends, you want to unlock home screen layout setting and you want to lock your home screen layout setting. So then how to lock and how to unlock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, how to unlock home screen lock layout setting. Friends, you can see home screen layout is locked. Friends, you want to add any app here. Example friends, you want to add Google app. So friends, you cannot add on your home screen page because home screen layout setting is locked. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your device. Open your phone guys, lock screen wallpaper setting. After lock screen wallpaper friends, you can set wallpaper, you can change wallpaper. So friends, click here home screen setting. After home screen setting friends, you can change home screen mode, standard mode, app driver mode, you can use it. And if you click here, so you can change your home screen layout. 4 columns 6 row you want to use, and friends you want to use 5 column and 6 row, so you can apply here 5 column and 6 row. So friends, click here layout lock setting and we will unlock. After unlock friends, now you can add app on your home screen page. You want to add any app, example friends you want to add Google app, you can add. And friends again, if you own your lock layout setting, so friends you can check we cannot add any app on home screen page because home screen layout setting is locked. So friends, you want to unlock and you want to lock your home screen layout setting, you can lock and you can unlock from here and you can use it. So like that friends, you can use home screen setting. And friends again, if you on, so you cannot add a, you cannot set app, you can see after on you cannot adjust tags, oh sorry app. So like that friends, you can use it. So I hope friends you understood how to use home screen lock layout setting. Bye friends.